Coley McCraney, the man convicted of killing two Northview high schoolers nearly 24 years ago, is asking for a new trial. And if the judge denies the motion, then the cause and the case will go to Court of Criminal Appeals in Montgomery. WDHN's Aaron Dixon has more from the Dale County Courthouse.
Coley McCraney was likely in a Dale County courtroom today for the final time. This time, he's asking for a new trial to be set in his case. As McCraney entered the Dale County Courthouse, he was greeted by his wife, Jeanette. And in the courtroom, he was greeted by friends and family who were there to support him.
A lot of people showed up. I was actually shocked a little bit. It shows what kind of man he is, shows what kind of family he has, and what kind of person he is.
Earlier this year, a jury convicted McCraney on 4 counts of capital murder for the 1999 killings of teenage girls J.B. Beasley and Tracy Hollett. The state convinced the jury that McCraney held Beasley and Hollett at gunpoint at a gas station in Ozark, led them to another location, raped Beasley, and shot each of the girls once. A jury the defense feels was on social media during the trial, even though they were told not to be by the judge. Now the decision of a new trial falls to Judge William Fillmore.
We felt that there were several issues during the trial that should have been handled differently.
The state feels the evidence of the jurors were posting advertisements and jokes on Facebook does not support a conclusion that their social media activities prejudiced them against McCraney or had any role whatsoever in this trial. McCraney's attorneys feel that the jurors should have listened to the judge and should not have been on their phones at all. Even if the judge denies McCraney's motion for a new trial, his attorneys feel the hearing sets things up for a future appeal.
And we're laying the groundwork for our appeal, for the Court of Criminal Appeals to be able to take a look at the facts of the case, that is the transcript of the case and the law, and make a decision on the issues that we have.
The defense will have 42 days after the judge's decision to appeal with the Court of Criminal Appeals in Montgomery. Reporting in Ozark, Aaron Dixon, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.